My country people, they are the great winner. This one na Agwe from DDR Center, Bamenda, Northwest Region, Cameroon. I don't come online today. We say make we chat and make una know a lot of things about we. Voila, I don't see some people that show say they already there online. I the salon my countryman and Clovis Oboya with Kawa Kawa. And also Mogamo. Any Mogamo Monday, you might see that for that side. Any Mogamo Monday, okay. I don't see one. So say some people then they on the see them. The next, I want to see people them inside out before. I want to see them, yes, I see them. While I see them, I see them one after the other. Okay. As I will talk, my country people, my name is Agwe, ex-combatant for this Bamenda. And also, I want to come for today for say we could do some small introduction about we and about the center. First, I will start by I get two people then two from my corner where they don't come for say make we do the show together. With them two, they don't come for introduce themselves, and then make una understand who them two they be and who's way them come out. So I go feel know whether I match fire or not. Sorry about that. I don't know whether I go feel match fire or not. I dey wait. Okay. As I will talk, my name is Agwe from DDR Center, Bamenda. I come out from Santa subdivision and I be Momo Pikin. I be born from Santa, but my origin Achak Tugi for Momo subdivision, for Momo division, sorry. So I would like to tell una why I be join this struggle, this amber struggle, and why I come out. For meanwhile, then after my own brothers they go come introduce their own selves Then if any man for outside they will get any question for ask them, if he ask we, but maybe I bet make it be in the other manner so that we know the way we answer one after the other. I believe so. So, early 16, where this crisis be start for inside, early 2016, where this struggle be start for inside Bamenda, down here. I be there for down here. When it be on Wednesday, that was Wednesday, where rain be the drip a little bit. We be there for inside town here. At that time, I've just come out school. We in over stay. I didn't say Bamenda town and I do one or two things. Struggle. I want to see lawyer themselves for march for money finish. Then we want to see teachers them hook up to they finish march. Now for the way I'll be there for my two when I want to hear bike them one outside. Place noise. So from that time, those days, they start for the shoot tear gas who are inside Bamenda town, and we start for the big stone them. On Chualam exactly. We start for the make problems on those time. Before now, they come out with someone raffle, say they cash people and go lock up a Konengi. And that time we make we fear small. So I come out, I run Bamenda town, I go for Limbe, go there for day. They do some small business. As I will do business, small business at Limbe town, it be already be 2016, 2017 that time. Because I want to come out from inside this town, we don't march for Santa, I will march that time, we march on 1st October 2016. I believe so, and I remember that time. Oh, we come out, oh, they go kiwi tire. Oh, they go kill with tire. Oh, they go kill with tire. How many people probably go kill? That's all we sing at that time. So that time now so problem them the race plenty. We see and say if we no day, if man no dodge pay around that area at that time, you go worry. Hey, boy, the brother go that time plenty. That time Mancho BBC them. If they just take Mancho BBC, they don't go plenty. So I see at that time say it is so thing them go worry small. So if I say ma for find some, I share I be hide that time so I say I want to do some small business. Meanwhile, I started selling at the struggle small. You know the mutenge and guys the way they say nyama. They become it away for agencies. So we do business. We decide together at that time. I will say this year with yogurt. We day together for day. Then we come out follow them. That will run day every day. We come out follow them. We go mutenge. They pay 300 francs. I go mutenge. I come out for my 4 days. I be still my 4. I leave my thing, I pay transport, I go Mutengene. I will go Mutengene and I say, we'll go so we'll go Nanjoka. Meanwhile, we don't go rich, they will drink today. We don't drink, stay, fight, come out. With that time, this struggle, we see this, the heat, fight, come out. We should say we'll go hit some, one guy who been a Amba guy. Now for day, they cash we. That time we been a they see the form come. Then that time the cash we now go them for barrack. Where the one for one be they don't torture we for some more. That guy the news guy they just from. We go now for barrack. We go reach barrack. I don't see they don't beat the other guy them. That mercilessly. Ahala we so see some metal guy we did for day. Where I know we know that time, you know, the see people that face, they will start that time, you know, we see my face, all man is a mask. So my guy say, woke up for that place. A jump, he call me a jump. And I say, grand, moon or chat. He said, chat, I say, it's a nyere. He said, okay, but as I talk now, so, Makam, he said, Usa commode, a jump, he said, me say, Usa accommode a chat with Sanya. He say, "Ma come, we come, we go inside come, we go there for back there." As he question me, interview me, I tell say, "Gang, it is so before I come up here, I come on na Santa, we it is so thing them, we don't start shaking thing them. We say, don't worry, I will no one go prison." At that time, say, I believe in travel, say, ID card no be there, ID card I no be get them. I don't run that, so come reach here. So he tell me say, "Ma come, go meet up big man." Since as I come on a Santa subdivision, that means I get a lot of things to do. Now that time I follow you, I want enter. I been have some inside some inner door. That means I pass like 3 doors and I enter. I be meet up person inside mask. When I know the person, when I know where we be. It been a General Ivor. That time we be the sick camp, the talk na mass, inside mass. Where that time where I want camp, I said before that shop they were plenty, so they don't move me out of that equipe because I talk my dialect. I go reach meet up here. I said I can't reach. If she don't if there is a mass, I don't see face. It's allow me, I answer. He tell me say I come out northwest, come do na way to the southwest way. Struggle day where they see me all picking them, big weapon. Me and they come na inside southwest, then so they don't come reach, then a problem they come up with my back. I explain a face say no, it is so me I no be know say it is so they don't start the gather. For come we fight because na the same kind small thing they make a man come over that side. So now from that time, he tell me say okay. Me I go enter inside the fight, but I no go get plenty for do am. He just want to give me a small assignment. I say yes, Lord. Because that time they be talk say Amba na God. Where the way they be call and they be create and they be talk say we call Amba as na God. So with the answer na yes, my Lord. That time I answer for you so. We go for the time now say that assignment we give me na a very small assignment. I give a camp back west for that Santa way a day. calm because struggle don't start now, so they need all eyes them, on ground. We know the way they will get security and backup. So me as I deal with Santa, so when I borders, we all team the enter. Now from that Santa, from where one come out West region, you come on into you come on here on the Douala other side and a true Santa in the enter. So I can't shoot down now with Santa if you give me my mission. I say when I reach Santa, I don't get for behave like I did inside something. I don't get for behave like say I get something. I don't get for behave like say I get money or anything. I just get for can be quiet. Then study. Now only phone calls I would do for that area. So again, inside Iwami again, whoa, for do things them. So we use my business what we do, whether we do at that time, I will say na ya would. Yeah, so I talk so sometimes the boss so ya would for limbe yeah. Voila. Sometimes at that time I will say na ya would. So he tell me say as who's all these are what they sell, so which one wait to be the company them they didn't have they be located for Cameroon for Wusa. I tell you say one he did for Yaoundé, one he did for Sang Malima, one you get for this thing for Boya, one you get again for Limbede. So he go inside order one day. He tell me say my first assignment from that place. And I say I'll come back from Santa subdivision, can reach prepare myself fine, then come back from that side. So that I can reach take all things them from others' land, from my own area where I don't stay before I come back. I hope so when I understand. Okay, so I come back to Santa. Do all that in them. Take road, they tell me say okay from now. I don't do the old company now for that was 2 months something. They tell me say now, wait till I give a do and I say I give a go now for technical place them. We plan to be na say wait till that time. As they be don't start this struggle for this side. They already gather those camps them. They be no say when before they want launch attack so palm. If he hit, that means we will start. That means we go hit. They go hit them from northwest, hit them. Then last after they continue. Now we sang Malima. Because if been at 2 places, but although Bangmayo the company they not be easy. So if you look and say sang Malima, a place where we hit them, weakness will come out from the government for up. You know the overgo too deep. So if we say we hit, if it be say they will do this thing before they fight here, if we succeed. Now we hit them for Sang Malima. Weakness go there because they will differentiate and say Ambaro come over 2 sides for the northwest and the west region for Cameroon. So my mission is send me first even after Sang Malima. I don't stay for the Sang Malima for 2 months to something because all the towns they were enter I will only make a few months them under some pretense them like I do small business or something. But actually I look all around. I get things them. I get plenty things every night. When I come out, I get things they don't keep them for me. I use them. Yes, but as I come back, I just do me like normal person. But for night, I get things them plenty. Where they keep them for me like. After they I start learn driving forcefully inside one day. But I prefer to use motorbike. Okay, those things that even my mission has been as I give for the commodity look all areas them. Technical government office them, technical one them where they all around, so that in case and the in and out them in for that place them, make sure me say wait that one for they not be get for shoot or anything, only for planting of bombs. Amoka when I call and saw my Amba boy then they know Amoka. Emma call the rain name the Amba boy then know na Amoka. Yeah, Funkum. Yeah, na talk na the thing that way. We get now that the obligation that we get and we do and we do. So I don't study area in Sang Malima. You know, say na forest no. But thing I don't be like our Sang Malima. And I say, I only bushmeat. I love bushmeat. You be the worry me sometimes. Then I want in that way be worry me too for the Sang Malima. Come back. As I don't study, I study Sang Malima finish. I enter for Yaoundé. Next mission will be for I will stay for Yaoundé for Wrong Point Express. So all post central so go around. We get for study all post central. That time go around. Then come back. The last place will be in Bangmayo, which I know will last go. Where I will last stay, then some small illness will happen with me. Illness, I give a come back for Northwest. But I already go around Yaoundé for all those places where we talk. Then I go down, I go for Sang Malima, Abididi. Meanwhile, for Limbe, all that my Ford and so on, Jumbo Palace, Cassava Farm, all that them, I don't know all those areas for Limbe too. So, boy, I be there already said because boy, they already there enough that time. That time, man, you just killed man, you too. I just salute Kawa as I recall man, so because I know saying a boss too for that side. Yeah, because so my boy themselves, they with me here, they appreciate the way we believe them. I also appreciate you too for that one, my brother. Say me keep up. Yes, I appreciate you for say that way you go claim she don't talk for the people them for the dialogue. I appreciate you for that one. No matter say they woke up begin they bring some kind noise them about you, but I appreciate you, bro. It it's been an easy thing. For Santa subdivision with that small internet. That one now we give David gateway to see all things or machine them. Whether which kind sophisticated weapon them we give to enter. So that means they know the way they prepare. Because they know if you just as from Bamenda head, you know how many you don't enter pass go. So they write the right number of Ghana with that gateway every day for the amount they will enter. So I've just do some small business for the and the business what I've been doing. I've been a very one what do only corner. First, I first start by selling carrot. I start by selling carrot. Every morning time 4 o'clock I can sell my carrot today. I the cow motor them at the G number. 4 o'clock I come. It won't be 11. Home is and the way they come out. All the agency them at the counter. At the see the way they come out. Any sophisticated weapon like this time with this armor card and will be the ones that enter. Yes, now that time where I will give information, but meanwhile I never reach that place. I start giving information to we already get to a group we already gather for down. When I don't day two first, I don't day two, sometimes I don't tire. I just come out go for evening. I go arrange myself, I enter mask that time. We come back for attack for who side I come out immediately. Either for matters or you get them, either you get them for Santa Park or you get them my 11 and all that rest them, my 11 junction. Yes, because that one been at attacking point. You get them for my 13, and my 13. Yeah, that play will be that one operation, we call an operation moto. So we'll be even plenty of we will be work under intelligence. We get plenty of soldiers there, we work only under intelligence. We study all the area them. We'll not be over the state for camp. Because if we have movement, we come out go camp each time. We just visit camp like strangers them. But actually when they come on mission, they come now we weapon them. We go attack. We the little known so we run down pass that road. All that bridge for day we begin for cut down. We give a cut that bridge for entrance for this thing for gateway day. Actually we don't can try attack for this sometimes and sometimes then the lalas put a mix control for that place. So we no be there. We cut that bridge because we know say we cut that bridge we don't first of all weaken one power for Cameroon government. Because already that one already gateway we show that say Northwest they don't already start with this so we no be get opportunity to cut that bridge. Only this small. That will be there, okay. So one thing we be worry me too. That will be there for inside this thing as I will be go on. I will give information. All of a sudden, I will call Siam General Ivory. I will give information. I will used to call because that time from that time I will come back for this side so I don't see you again face to face. We will only communicate all that I come them up plus Archer also. I will communicate for that side. Then he can wake up a sudden just dead just go of a sudden. I don't understand the way he died. Then the way waiting they were be the same. And from that time where he died, I just be me. I dey check my head the way the death thing can happen. I start check say, but man, if a person, the kind of person don't die inside the kind of thing where will get hope for you, so wait it don't happen. And the way they can die, you know that the person will be know. So I start get a second thought from that place. I start get a second thought. I start talking with me. I want to see the commander immediately big number. He just claims seat for chair. Then the reaction change. Plenty things change about the way we communicate we change. I started to see him. And from that place where I be broke. I be broke. Meanwhile, I start from that place now. I go up for Dara. I go just deal with the boys and deal some kind. After I come back and she done me. I first can she done me for the thing. After I check that thing, I can't she done me back, check and say no. It is so my first of all check my head. The one way if me have been a zero so down, then I see the kind of big man it just drop so no my first check my head. I can't she done for down. I check them. That time I just did me, I just work, I do my small job them around. And also, before I want to talk, before the struggle want start, I never ever been a ruffian. All my Santa people they know. I've been a calm boy, cool. I never get problem with person. I just say that the tension for every band we make and way. Where they talk say fake information to some bad things, so a very bad thing. So I can't just lay me down, lie low, the situation in the past. I see and the struggle, I just look the way the struggle to go. After time now where I hook up some time, I get call for interim government. At that time where Okoro them, they be see hit, General Okoro them, they be call for interim government. Say they don't send some weapon them, something them for Okoro. Mago me make we go take them for that this thing because that group we already that time we already going down. We go take them. We go reach. I see only the waiting there to go. We almost have we escape na death before we come back. We know they we just stay down. We wash our step them. We do. I wash my step them. A day na time I be there. Life thing they need to go. I see my friend and those do they do thing them. I woke up to say no. Okay, it is so okay. My tell when I want to now we make I go back for bush. I don't forget that point. I'm going to stay with my friend for your house. But after that, I don't just quiet that time. No man, they never knows I be Amber. That time this guy they don't come back for your own day. I go to stay with my friend in your house. He just say they can't get some bad like that bad transaction. Jana they come, I can't catch them. They carry me to all way and his ass. Since as I don't get ID card, I have lost distract inside the struggle. They come meet me and they take we go. They go lock me for Bamenda Central Prison. for do around 3 months something. They investigate me. But after that, I make that few months and so they investigate me. They say I not get nothing inside, and I be come out on free bail. When I mark that one, free bail. That one I want thing to show say Cameroon still get justice inside them. I be come out on free bail with that 1 franc. Why we been a Amber where they know that time they never even they know be check whether or they investigate go for us. They just say I be free for the matter. They know complicate me. Now one thing that no make all man put that one for down. Now free bail I be come out and I still get this thing. That one come out that free bail now, so I come out. I don't still go back go get hot spirit. Enter prison that time I come out get hot spirit. I be here that time now for my skin. That time I come out go back for bush. Go sit down. And that time I come go now under commander. I go meet up Red Chameleon commander. So first of all, I chat with you. I tell you, say, boss, it is so the way the thing they don't go. I know how we do. We go fit do na na commander. Darkness tell me commander Red Chameleon tell me say boy, you come up. You know that down road where you was stay for this so. You know, fine. You come up, we will day up for come. I want hear again telling government phone. Can they tell you say now operation any pikin wey dey go school, anything wey concern about school, any civilian wey dey torturing, say we give them torturing very well. Any civilian, dem we call that time wey we go chop rada, we go chop rada for kandang for this thing, for this whole matter, and the civilian dey pass you, and the last time we will chop rada for the civilian and civil go talk. So one come where militarism, Ekelebe, that's what we call it, Ekelebe. They will already be prepared for we. So come now, so arena, so they finish with one man who vex. Without information to the wrong guy for entire government, say operation all student, any people go school, and the weakness today, so we go across the West region. After they woke up, we gather our boy them cross the West region. For only corner, that means all that area. Santa Cruz, I believe so. But I know the talk and I say I be proud. I be not say those things that will be very bad, but maybe when I just understand. See, when you don't be under command this one as something way. When you gun this one as something way, when you don't be under command, you say way to hold that gun. You fear another person to get that gun where to command you, because you know say for you that trigger for you to pull on your skin, make you quench. You know, it takes second. So obey that command. Torture us civilian them. Torture civilian them. Burn back there inside that whole that village. Burn them. Do thing. Them scatter places. Send the information. You go. I know they call any man in name. Call when I want a man to call a man in name. I know they call him. But time they come. For now, we will just play like this. Next part, we will see what I will do now. Because I don't hear kind of fake information them. When I don't send them about our center, about our team them, about Cameroon. When I know say all that thing when they do and so when I know be the doing for some stranger them. When I do only for we they were down, we see them, we see all that in them. So as I will torture that civilian and send that message for diaspora, they will be happy. They will come out that night, see me chop brother, we go ginger small before we continue journey, we go back for barrack. As I will go to ginger, one thing na quartier that when they finish na sometimes na some boy they day for day, they one thing na quartier that the car. I come out stand one that time we get just that we still use my anapom action before automatic gun one enter me. I come out stand a fire for air. Me and other partyman will fire for air. Then they on the line low now they holla. We stand shout for them tell them say no. Think the way they can look at nothing way he did down. I boy them. We will not harm to person, we will not touch no man, we just slide quietly. We dodge. As I dodge now, so come back. That time we my mask unveil. Where population discover now say na amber that. We come and flop na population. Oh man. Again, wait again, we run and I say when I've been an operation against civilian. Or come and oh man. They come, they find me. I go just go back, go to Barak, give a call. I tell them, say no. Make them not waste that time. Boy, them they come. Make them not waste that time for what they find me. Before they understand that time now, so say nothing will happen. I just go now direct fully. Barak, I go there, I walk with Commander Red Chameleon. Walk with me and you on time. I come out that day, I walk with Commander Darkness. I walk with them. Then we grandpa be there for a win. Grandpa be there, I win that time. I work with them for some few time. I say, me and they work. I say thing they know to go. That my palm action want to get and so. Before me, I can't go back for camera. But don't forget on 121 where they call for French. Kalashnikov. Yeah, I get that 121. I have an army gun, being automatic. That time I take that army gun now, so I don't want to use them for that area because. That time, when soldier just see you, some kind of gun with one of your hands, so at the end of it, disarm you, take them. At the end, they want to see you private gun. So that time, we hide that one, not use another form action, we and them. That one about come out from the now, so I don't check and I say, no, hey, I should also my own village, then I fight struggle with some different side way. I know the see way to happen. I know the see nothing. Replace cool. That means the way they fake kiki soldier them over. I know the first and then weapon them to no day. I be feel say sometimes been have a standard division, sub division where the team is there. So I say, but man, with the fight now, waiting the no day. Then so my friends then the only day from Momo for here. It only takes me. Boy, come this side, thing and day, weapon and day. Hey, me I be lying outside where the hit no. Me I be lying outside where weapon day. Yes, my own problem inside the struggle. Only been I say me weapon day. That time now, so I take that my form action. I leave and for Commander Darkness. I tell you, say, okay, bro, that's how we don't do now. So I get Johnny for go. If I say mad dodge this other area, well, mad dodge this other area and then go back for outside my origin, for my village. My boy they call me. I want to go and visit today. I need to go visit. But this time I want to talk so dialogue. They can't go make dialogue. Or they can't, my brother, I tell you, my brother, I know if you do this in my village, so those you don't so. If I say I go for that side, more see waiting and they too for that side. So that if it's on fighting and every day, because we'll be like Palava Yashi, full side where they go cut fine Odeshi. I talk say okay now so for Manko. I don't see say boy they over there here. Sometimes I say oh this small granola will get and so I say now Odeshi the worry oh. I go for my own side go see him. My uncle self. Because we believe say when you chop ground, because in the beginning we never talk and I say they drink that water. I mean I talk now that time so I will go chop na ground too from my own place. Most and do everything and day. I come out go see I come out leave the napalm action for the it will be a 6 round pump action. I leave the napalm action for the now. I come out I go enter town Bamenda town. We have to work all that traveling no ID card. Enter Bamenda town. I take road for my village, Momo. I go. I want to reach for Momo. I pass all that construct them. Starting from Alabukam, I take all that construct them, enter Alabukam. Pass today so come up from Monastery from Bengvide. Enter. Pass my 17. Now then I can also take road for Bomi. With that time soldier and today for this type of Bomi, sock. I will not say if I want step 1, 2, I will enter Bomi way, I will get soldier there that will back me up. I take up there with my 121, I don't losing them. I don't losing and put them inside my back. That under, I don't lose now dismantle and put them inside my back. Now I be the worker now and I say I can't reach for Bamenda. We know they have to go down with that 121 with my skin because I be get for taking a bike go down. I don't come boss inside Bamenda. I stand, I calculate, I put this inside my back. I go get on the taxi. They go on, I go get on the taxi. Wait, this zone and jama be inside. I will put inside jama, buy jama, enough one back. Because money be there that time, sock. Go buy jama, one back, put them inside. Send them is for motor now, then go. I take one shot, then me one. As a soldier too. I'm joking, I only my distance that time. Presentation card, amber card, where I reach any barrack where I enter officer, I just present myself. I take that distance, I go, I don't get the Cameroon ID card. Use all that control them, I enter village. I can reach meet all my brother them for the way, all way and then day. As I enter village first, I will expect the kind of soldier they want to meet up on the village. Me being a worry one. That means I don't come so I don't pass, I don't buy this in ginger bottle today. I don't buy things. I can't wait to come meet up soldier the way now. That means I be no say they dress on. I inside that uniform in interim government. That means interim government already give them their own full uniform. Because I see the way they be ever wear so one them. I want to enter too for the soldier they wear a red cross. Another one red cross or back no where the jog cross or back here so soldier they be see the wear that red cross. Then I look some soldier behind. Gun where I hold I be hold automatic gun with 2 magazine. Gun where I hold from my hand. Soldier for that side I see it hold a then gun. That one where they talk and check up where this is some place of mission so we don't even bad. You shoot that one so then still I'll find a stick chukam before you come out. I'm don't suffer for this struggle, papa. I know they lie you. When you go shoot one so military car, you shoot one so palm, then you that after you broke and so you need to take a stick fasting and for that one come out. I see soldier there with that one them. I say wonders. Now wait till this. This struggle, the fight and I want to understand. And I don't want to look my brothers and day. I meet up my brother Finu, I meet up Abdul Razak, I meet up the man Rambo. Because Jack too so na my brother. Jack will be back to go now, na my brother too. I meet up Rambo, I meet Finu them. Me and them there for some time. I never tell them say I get gun. Because I know they ever talk my when I enter any barrack, I prefer hide my gun. Because I know that time, especially that time when command would work at disarm all calmness. So for that side, I want to have fear to South Africa so to command will hear news side for that side. It can't disarm me. I just shoot out my gun, I see them, I my weapon, I see them. Only one gun we have seen me get time maybe na G3. I will see those on G3 them. We pump action, then single bar them. They use them. So I asked and I said, but me, now I'm bang with this way now a whole, let me say now a whole capital for Momo. When I want to go bang, we go attack all that now would be pump action. Because that gun, that double magazine will be holding, so you know be still correct for me. I will still here and I will find another one and add another one. And I asked, I say, when I the one damn city people them would they say so really come out go attack now the kind of weapon them. My head not stand fine. I should don't for day, I should don't my head not select. I should don't me and them work on time, I just deal with them, I will call tell Fino Sunday, and then I 1 year Sunday, call reach me, say they don't already discover me, say I did for Acha. Yes, that time we call me Amber Ground Zero that time, aka fearless. Because I know with the fear no side for go. I will work on all come. Yes, I will work on all come inside pass inside Momo and so inside all that Wangi. I will go that side and all that side. I will go pass. I don't go this too for Bali. So as they tell me say news. They don't hear say ground Amber Ground Zero day for this thing for Acha. They don't already wait me now wait from Bengwi. And then my uncle to be the work at that time. They wait me now wait from Bengwi day. I talk but that time when they talk say Kelebe the way you know they make nothing for you. You detain I say you didn't have a fight, you know. You ain't talking here I tell you they can bring that talk I tell you say but normally I've been a soldier no they more ever find me. So I just shoot on me. Next target now, so we become that man and my uncle will walk bike. I know we fear that one where they say they find me. I shoot down, I tell them, say I did at a lot, where them day. I say, where them day? We didn't come. I go jam, them take that AK. I shoot down me. I want to see now my uncle if they walk bike, which I know call the name for security purpose. But I say na security purpose. I hear diaspora they thought they can't retreat and say family waiting. Butcher na them. Butcher na them. Wait, my finish for the camp. I finish wait till I talk am. Okay. As I hear my uncle that now they say they find me now serious. I get that I go back to go meet my brother today. They call it Jack. Yes. They say they find me. Then I get a lot of people them to dance since I'm a baby popular. When any place where I enter, they more ever. My grandma me beg me to say it so he beg my picking. You know say problem in this time. Wait till the one back so you can't join here. You go bring winner. Die. I beg. As I talk to so I want to hear again news. They said my uncle where the work now. Mengwi road day. When I got a man, they ready. When you come, they will take you. If they succeed for take you, they will say, I will come out. And me, I've been a kind of soldier too. I don't just see my family to do before. So because at that time I've won the day, so I've not very wise. I've don't understand things. I've talked to ask us about me. If one can join, I wish kind of squad we know nothing no day for day. We go feel help for same fight country. They know the first defend. Then I want enter again for this. So come no day. All soldiers they don't scatter. And that time I ask us about me. When I fight struggle, when I scatter come they stay around. We no come no day we get them. And then we need for day our own barrack. They don't scatter off from barrack. We don't get barrack. As I say, barrack no day when I stay in inside house. The soldier dey say wetin? They tell me that time say interim government, oh, they don't that 15 million or that passport wey they be promise, and so interim government until shortly all that those things they will come. They say it will come down from interim government because we get passport. You say we get passport, we get for finish the struggle, we get passport, we get 15 million of each soldier. Then all the fallen heroes and the fund for all the fallen heroes and the race them all and so on. They tell me say they already come. That way my brother they worry my uncle so Fino while they talk so I beg if you hear me papa. You been my own brother, I know will lie you. Drop that weapon also where it is will come. I know will like and will see you when you die, Papa. I the beg. Fino when I'm my brother. I the see comment, say wait, terrorist not a soldier. Terrorist and soldier. Now which one amber soldier, now which one get different? So amber soldier na wait. I dey laugh when I come in when I say terrorist not a soldier. What be mean by terrorist not a soldier? Terrorist, amber soldier na terrorist. When I talk about what terrorist not a soldier, when I be one, but I become more for Muna. Yes, when I will confirm the time say Cameroon government don't stand. They don't stand for the waiting. Muna no fit say that time they go over the PT when I say when I be love. Cameroon government don't stand. So that take this comment the way that they give me. Say soldier not the way to terrorists. I mean I tell all with the all push no all with the na terrorists you know. Ambassador na waiting. Okay, I come up from that time now Fino. My Fino wait to the talk for not take much of time. I come up from that time now Fino tell me say he dey so he beg papa make our coffee go back. Those things where they talk say diaspora them. I will go back inside town. I will go walk. Better go walk inside town. Those soldiers, those things they were in telling government talk, it come soon. Then he tell me say, Papa, your place day. I tell you say, okay, if my place day, since I don't carry here and a lot of family then they here and they just discover I enter and they will feel worried them. Better ma go back. Better ma go back. Okay. I come out that time now so I enter Bamenda town. That time when I meet up my brother here. We go introduce himself some more time here Zambota and the rest. I can't shit down now so that time when I come up Bamenda town I sleep, I calculate my head, I check my head. Thing they know the go. I hear about that time they start singing about DDR, why didn't under hiding. I just come out that time working from camp to camp. That time I know bro my gun we see the I know bro move on from place where be I see the check what he will do. I see the gate second thought, I only check. And that time now, I over here about DDR, I see the way they do program them they do program them online. I gather the courage. First way to FM me as my ass boy. I say wait, my own brother will be visa struggle where I be like it over a commodity go cause some atrocity where it no be pleasant. So that time again too he add my own struggle, he add my own worry. I over worry now. The way the red way they don't define women away the struggle, you know the goal. I told him I say I'll do it, I'll video now. That time I enter find solution. Stand up boldly. Say at this struggle, it will stop. All this stuff so I never seen nothing will go on this side. It will stop. I take my things. I take my 2 food, I walk. I go for Bamenda, enter for judicial police. I present myself for them. I tell them, say, it is so I beg, I be being an amber soldier, I want to drop down my weapon. I beg, I don't know whether I did for the right place. That time I talk about the fear. I want to see that first policeman say, Ki? I say, Amber. He said, okay, no. Where, mon frère, bienvenue. I want to say, they welcome me, bienvenue. Okay, that means say, no, the one who step will first of all be now, I will first of all, we know. They take me I go reach me to the commissioner every day, or to talk. I tell you, say this, so I don't keep my weapons someplace. They immediately, they staff them for DDR, they take me, now they go reach I will go reach meet up General Aga that time, Aga Robinson. Now for the way I drop down my weapon, I go take, they take militias, they go take those weapons, they bring them. I come down with DDR center, before I come down with DDR center, Bamenda. And since I don't carry reach the center, I never ever get that worriness and where I don't get them for bush. I sleep, then they will come here again, say, ma go chop gala. Yeah, ma go guard. I don't get no worriness. I know they sleep again, the fear against say, Ekelebe, they can't find me. When I call, I mean the militaries. Because I know say plenty people, they don't understand that word, Ekelebe. That one a soldier word. Oh, we use them. We go meet, we go reach. So, my brothers and sisters, I appreciate you for this time. Oh, I don't take them. We send me with the online. I already see views and they enough. So at the time, for say we don't can reach down. For say we can't shut down. We have my own story, and I will present on not much time because this program will give the make and eat any time as from now. Because we don't decide we don't go rest way again. We don't sleep since as our own brother until they don't decide say we know they know one sleep to forgive fake information for. They know one sleep to give fake information for our back. If I say we can't talk for them so live. So that means they see we, they know say no, it be not true. So first person I will present here now my small man, where he named na Ghetto Boss. Because struggle, he named na for you. He come out from Banso. He don't work with Santa to me, Santa subdivision with me. They call it Ghetto Boss. So I will present on here because the one I'm my own soldier to be direct from my background. I mean I be very peaceful. Then I also introduce una. Zambrota, aka Most Wanted, Ole Bamboo boy. When I know Bamboo, when I be the doubter, no, me the soldier, they start to come on one. The one to come on about Bamboo. Yes. Bamboo, Babanki, na mission command. We don't work is Amba struggle. Amba, when I will see una brother them all. Well, I'm going to give chance my brother them. I don't know whether I will fish down because the space we will get them for it. Wait, leave, just allow them. I'm bad when I be praying, we see when I brought them. Wow, when I see you in a S combat, now who then this? Wait, when I wait, my cam. When I wait, the one a captain who, when I give a respect before I make you carriage, so I will don't give you small chance, me carriage introduce myself, then I will come back on so that because I know we know fit to manage a small space. No, so I still get a handle, no. Yes, so. I not been like I have told the way they get the money them for open studio them. Yes, because they don't take a lot from we. So I go introduce my soldier from Muna. We in the Bina Zambrota, aka Most Wanted, Bamboo. When I remember I say Bamboo, Bambili. Now you see the camp, he go tell when I will be and why we don't function too. Thank you now. Asawana a bomb a simile. Then show your faces smooth, jam them, take their one more. You take now one more because okay, they don't plenty. Okay. I may be Captain Zambruta, aka the Most Wanted. I don't be as a captain. Ofinge, as a mission commander. After we go cut bridge, they will can kill Amigo, General Amigo, when I be here of General Amigo. They will can kill him. I be come on my squad, go cut bridge. That bridge after police school for my 12. Cut the bridge. I attack 12 Moto 1 Prado. Oh, my brother, you know me. Son. Okay. The other one said, so I know me plenty. Okay. So, we go over there, we 11 attack 13 moto. So I be the only survivor of the fittest. People they know the story, and I will come back with half food. The ammo capital my food. Blood still there, una. Na lie. Blood no there, bro. We don't be na clear people now. So I will come back successfully. For the beginning of the struggle, I be been a fridge, I be repair fridge, air condition, gas, anything that contain gas for my tunkwen. Plenty people there, they know me for day, where I be work for day under my patron Hyson. Yes. So the struggle be there for some way we will be see and say, we youth them will not get anything for do, we not get no powers, we need the whole gun, our brother they be over terrorize we. The ones that they already be ahead. They use we will be work, get some more money. They use our money, then go invest themselves, buy their guns all time. Thank you, my brother. No sir, fine. Just say manga tell me. So any small weekend when I go down, it must be and say support, mobile catching, support mobile. So you see, say for my small me, they still learn work. See fine boys. Thank you, ba. So for my small me, I be still learn work. Continue. I go village. Well, sometimes my patron don't give me 5,000. So when I go to our village, support mommy, support Zambruta. Now yeah, na Zambruta. I will carry them my small 5,000 go down to our village. Support, and finally, boy, then come decide to say, the novi day, where they fight something, I did for town the work, no lie. The last catch me, because if they want to talk for Tuba as a whole, when I talk Tuba, I mean Big Babanki, Finge, Bambili, Bambui, Big Babanki, Small Babanki, and the rest, who I know them. I be the tonton other side them. Oh, say I move my car, bro. You know the sorry. Okay, even if I move the car, go still fine. Okay. Happy for see you. Thank you. So finally the boys they hold me. That time when Amber just start, where with the year say Amber they come all man they run. Where the year say Amber one pass. If people they stand two sides for road, so that they join for one side, me all one pass. Zambuta fine boy. So another day. So they become cash me. Go Tana for Big Babanki under General Various. That time we been a Commander Various. Because then I with 12 who they make you commander. They put me for day. So I never live with no choice. They give my own gun and give me my own rank one time, like for my to take care of prison, chief warder. Be chief warder, we go catch out that police people there, they be there for boyo day, carry and can lock under my custody. So from there, I say the team fine because they go when you catch person, we call her na kidnapping, na we call her now. For kidnap person, if it comes on time. You can give 2 million, 1 million, 300,000. You see big man go move 200,000. Give you and say, hey, me, with my patron for play with the land work, the highest money. God bless you too, bro. The highest money where they ever give me 5,000. Jesus. Then one time, I just enough for prison for 2 days. They carry me 250,000. Means I have the loss and loss for that outside. Now for this, see, I get the interest for the things so they. I come off first attack or go police school my 12. I take one gun for day. Now the gun will be taken calm down with Amba for finger. We dey for Facebook, people they know me on Facebook. I don't post with the gun plenty. I will come back finger, immediately for finger. They will put me as a captain, the control war front. Because I get the best weapon. We set the commander for finger, maybe get them. So I'll be as a captain that time. I control finger. We bamboo they fight for can take me for finger too. Say I can't work in a day because inside that territory I'll be the only man who get that kind of gun. So as they can't take me, I work with finger as a captain. After I go to get that injury, the key my commander, Commander Rasta from Bafut. The key my captain, Captain Ayoma from Batibo. So they will shoot my own foot. I'm not going to turn my foot. So I will come back.
Tell the Facebook name.
My Facebook name is Prince. The OC, they spell out with OSIH. Prince Emma OC.
My Facebook names and my way wish for see my weapons. I don't use them. I be fabricate armor cars. When I hear about armor cars, funkum. Yes, me I be the shindondang. I work am. I be the worker supply for plenty barracks them. The time where they be put me captain for container force. When I talk container force, me say that special branch where internet government want open them. Maybe like B. The highway our own government get B, get Jandang, I mean, yes. So,
Who put you captain?
so they be crown me as captain. Allah Bukam. That time we get General Barrios. Allah Bukam. We get General Agaba. That time General Cross. Now we be General Ibina a Colonel Cross. Colonel Babe. So, I see and say from then I see and say my rank do the over high.
Leave that comment there. Leave them. Make it just when I just the comment. When I
just the comment, I no go answer on the comments. I dey for you to call my friends them.
Yes.
Why way I show myself for the video today because plenty video don't know the be like person will just come out with talk language where you don't make a very big videos and way before I want come meet up people for the center because he be tell me about the center I deny. See that one Atanganji group them. That Atanganji boy they work at key people them. So I never believe that when I see them for video when they look more fresher than as they look now. I say, una sure this way all with the tire shift on neck. Now people in this way we go make him for our waist for 250,000. Now in this night the shine won't nobody watch. Look as my brother the shine for video. That means say sure say God power the work for government. The man begin power the work for government. Oh, how you do get that connection? So they did for this, so they it show me for video now how we enjoy. Government provide the all thing for DDR Bamenda. I never understand, so I be trying to inquire some few news and for me for you see if truly not true. So my brother be me man no say no be lie me, I know be call me for play or kill me. Say man I come see him testify so that I go be like a living testimony for the other friends that they live for bush. Because most of my friends and none of them know they believe. Say me Zambruta, if you go stand for police, my phone, a kelebe my phone, drop my gun. But as I talk to you now, I'm an ex-fighter. If you call me Amber for me, I go fight. Because
I tell them, Papa.
You call me, see me for go to say Amber, not say me and you go get a big problem. Yes, because that name they're supposed to turn on for terrorists. Because with the work money, people them overside the election don't chop, she don't acclimatize.
I am a joke.
Yeah, by Seseko, they prison, but they control millions. You get Sako them. When a billionaires them, they she don't turn them, Chris Arnold them, they no be send she don't Sunday. Buy one gun, send them for one camp. Their own always say more go die. God go punish all them because I no die. Yes, that fool and they want fool me, man go die. God reveal me. He show me the light. Now while he talk, I did but DDR Northwest Disarmament Center. And as I become the first group they will be there, they don't integrate them, they work them for places, them now big places with their multiple numbers them. Now for the way Mrs. I be look say and say no, this pub here, they say no one key. Because it didn't mean I will stop all that nonsense when I do have a bush. Now one day, it no go take off to 2 days for stop them. One day.
War draft for diaspora and a small. When I do war draft, that one have a problem. War draft, that one a war draft, we don't know who side way don't go. Wait till that one a war draft we get up to. The real war draft,
the war draft, you know, they get a special force. B-I-R-O.
That one a one force will rock off. We don't follow me with that bush. So they will one cash and a
Battalion Intervention Rapide. Then they. Wait, if that boy them, my brother them, when they bush, I beg una. I beg una.
I see all.
Me a the beg una. Something they. Una no day. That's why with the people one come so they will 60 with the crowd so they want go attack come out 30 man chavum them. Come out shoot and load where shoot you run for backside fine stick move the bangade.
9 grain.
Yeah, 9 grain. Now what's that?
You want to fight PKM. PKM. When I
power large you see inside the whole barefoot the highest gun we did the power large the tonton win a sniper. Sniper that one beat and then they use that thing. Sniper still there na they share for them. If they decide say they want stop that nonsense so na they do for this town. Because if power pop there he had within my heart. I know sure say some amber for the sea exists. I don't wash all natural was on places. Yes, because they will be terrorism. At the top because I don't be a terrorist first time and I believe say I don't give my life for Christ. And I beg government me. See the way the fresh. I want to come up bush. I believe there's some animal. I never shave my head, but it's still fresh. Look am. My friends they see me don't know me again. Now I'm by this we change for your neck for how much? I'm by that. Now government they keep me so. Give me water match or they give me water I wash. Enough chop. One chop even 6 times per day. I the chop. It depends on my belly. I get a personal bed. Why they sleep when no man they ask me say why you sleep today for this bed, why I no sleep now for that bed? No. I get a personal bed I sleep. I wake up then I get pastor. We get pastor where they can't that means say dodge train we keep we in order. More forget all that bad thing the way our brother they teach we for bush. All that bad blood they will be seeing for bush. Pastor they go that is evangelize for we teach we some few things they will need for know. Apart of that, we get classes where they go on because some of we the amber we enter bush now because we door we get common sense. Sense maybe they why we should not personally think and say how me like a civilian want wake up my mommy kitchen jumping my mommy night go fight government. If they be honest, some person know just wake up picking mommy knife, mommy collapse. If maybe the shoot and for their place them. Because most of that gun they are gun they were party, they take a shoot and for their place. We go carry them. They come up, whoa, so they go shoot military, where professional trained people. They go fight them.
We can't shoot and then run. You will fight how many?
We will fight how many amber we kill them per week because where you shoot your one way, the shoot on for some backside.
Bye. Vanish.
Boom! You there was another backside. If I stick for move that cup way never come up. I don't know catch you hang kill him. The catch you give better cook and fine. Turn nam. You chop. Yes. Now so my advice and my beg for my brothers here they still remain for bush. Now say we personally no one can catch you now. Yes, na me Zambuta they talk and maybe so another man talk that one and me. AKA.
When I come up peacefully.
You come on you one.
They receive you.
They go receive you. Even you the fear for come. I go give you now my number. Or I go give you now my big man will just come up with my ASP number. Where if you the fear for come you one, you call the number, you direct place where you be. And if you visit some of them adults in there and they will put our adult brothers and they visit and get 2 cents, say you will call and come your attack. My brother don't think so. Because sometimes you are late, you are smart, all the weapons I get them for day. You know which one grenade to work out them. If you feel say you don't willingly want to give up, start to plan your future. Because I did for you now, I boasted with some few months time, I feel help my picking. I feel pay my picking the school fees. I feel be able to buy my home and rubbing oil. I feel be able to follow home and move 10,000 that cheap. When I money way, maybe bloody money. Because all that girls and they outside they chop amber money.
When I will die,
when I know say pay back there for all thing. Yes, because Frenchman they ever thought say quand la tête ne réfléchit pas le corps souffre.
Ça va.
One I they need to calculate that body go suffer after.
Yes.
When at the end, no, because you know go there where you catch your own blood brother. Say because if you work with government, you kill him. You catch your own born sister. You beat mommy when you owe. Say Zambuta don't wise. I don't wise things. Nah, not mine. Yes. You catch mommy we don't owe for 80, 40, 50 years, mommy.
No respect.
No
One
respect.
thing that we Amber get a military never ever do. I never ever see the whole a person way past the age.
Military don't do that. Like seriously, let us be sincere.
Who be sincere inside them to matter.
We need to find a way of growing up our future. We need to look out for our own future because you know go born pikin, it can be Amber. You need to check how you go send it for school from nursery 1 to opposite university. And maybe Amber money, you know, go they hide for bush, beat my mommy, kidnap you, go pay you 200,000, use and send your picking for school, you prosper. Now lie.
When I don't get family, when I kill another people that own them, say when I own them go outside. When I own them, when I find that independent, now our own family, they own the key another people that own them.
If you the key all the Anglophone, they say that the black leg, that they work with government, that they do this. When okay, you win the independent, you go enjoy who?
Voila. Where all people.
We don't kill all your friends, your brother, then the English one, the way you know I'm the kiki them. Amber na the dullest creature what don't ever say and say exist for planet Earth.
Another bank there for Italian government, so now them put fire.
Yeah, now that diaspora.
Don't die laugh.
Diaspora.
See.
Now that people for oversight. That they fool the innocent picking them. I said the advice go now for mommy and papa them when they get picking them, they say they be Amber them. Any mommy, any papa, Amber, I beg share this video. I beg, who you are picking personally.
Bring it with DDR. Oh, can't take a view.
Advise you put some small sense inside that coconut. Because they say what an old man sitting down seeing. Even a child climb a tallest tree and iroko tree, the child can never see it. Any mommy we don't she know go down, oh papa we don't she know go down, see the future of this thing. Call your picking. Teach them, son. Yes, Father, I'm doing though. Teach me say lecture your picking, put it for down. Make him know say if he die today, you be carrying about 9 months. And he die no go cause no change. Because kind General Amigo they don't die.
General Ivo
They don't die. When now big people there they know the world. I mean say the whole world they don't know so they can general no be go down better.
I know say as General Ivo they be bring
I about oil to do the shining
I say I know say that way General Ivo they be actually bring this in where they be that the way General Ivo work at the farm camp the way you see diaspora they woke up they know say General Ivo be a correct man. They make a fang. Yes, that because we know what to happen.
Would you follow me?
They make a FMO assassinate because they don't know they bring Palava war draft. Which kind of war draft?
Which kind of war draft? Who train them? When I go school for Usa, when I learn Usa for
they go train with civilian and with diaspora send up for Dangemi.
When I need to follow Free Marshal. Free Marshal.
He the how many soldiers?
Where he call himself General Free Marshal. General Free Marshal is small brother. Now Chris Ano. He get all right. You know a video talk in Mami Pima. Yeah. Because say his small brother, he take contribution for people. He send all the machine they won't need them na for Ivo. Ivo get right to stand. Ivo get right to stand for video. He talk say he make Free Marshal sorry. He get right for Free Marshal get right to stand for video. He show gun call and say Le Fangse. That Christine they make and call her say Le Fangse. Each one of that Le Fangse be equal to 3 AK. If Cristiano no be there ready happy, who be Free Marshal? Who be the others where they stand so they debate with the government? Just can't call bro.
Okay.
Yes, now the uche that.
The uche face like this.
When I see enjoy my whole day, when I remember Bush to die. Because me, I not go ever sacrifice my life again. Say, I want die for something when they be me start. I want me, I don't know how it go. I will just be ignorant and with this my coconut head. Because I will feel say a while, then the sumumbanga, then the gay rash, you be carry one mob, go shoot a kelebe, you come back. Now lie.
I don't know lie.
No one day.
Inside the thing, the only killing me me. I don't
lie.
Inside the thing, another one the way they ever just work at them. The innocent one them. To do when they want to talk say this thing,
so Miss Amber, if stand fight
say wait. When they talk say squad for B don't come. When I know this them, when I know what to know this them get them.
Battalion Intervention Rapid.
All things they get them.
All things. They follow you now, hand cash them. See, but the very first day when they release B inside the struggle, Mona no say don't finish. That one a special force. I beg una. They will just want to make some team make we know, make we understand. Say we not fit the fight over. We understand. We not fit the fight.
Thank you,
we not get
we love Cameroon.
Yes, we not get the spirit for fight. They just if we wait every day, you understand. Why waste any civilian not die inside this struggle now because waiting. Now we cause them all. Go, how you go to see places civilian and go gather? You go expect them. Say me military, me. If I been a military man, you can't stand inside and again one thing they talk as waiting. We remember say we don't talk as separation. So when you don't can't stand shoot gun, you just say you hide for your brother. Even that misses our vex. I will get that bitter heart. That means they move now all in that area. So we know take palava civilian, war genocide in Cameroon. Genocide, the real genocide they amber no. Genocide, genocide na amber no bring genocide. No be President Paul Biya. If una Northwest na a place, no be na big town like Yaoundé. Northwest there all kind heat them, all kind dirty heat them. If high for back shoot gun. The capital civil like provoke military.
The big go catch them.
Oh papa, no na who call us a genocide. They don't kill civilian, bro. We need to talk here now because of our bad. Now just say we don't drop under our own weapon. Now don't say anything we want to make us know. You know, if it lasts so long, you know, if it help all we. This town, ghost town, we have one fight war. We have make a reduce one day for civilian them. Make them not say
they suffer.
Make them suffer. When they come back again for back and take money. So mommy they will where they say na a small banana. You will come one time. Contribution.
Monday
you go sleep your bed, save a soldier, contribution. Go buy a tracksuit where I buy a chang. Pick your gun Emma for your bag. Take 99 or day she go start a carry for I be soldier. Mommy, give me 200 contribution, I be soldier.
All stuff, my class.
Would I know? See, I said,
I'm not go find something work.
But wait, you know say,
no, one share country.
I say, ghetto.
People want to put country on another country.
Big come never Saturday, so we don't be able to go direct go penetrate and shoot.
Even for near big camp, they will near.
Big camp, you talk of JP camp.
No, sorry, because
only for Stanford Road for that people them for break bus them.
My brother, now put country on top of another country.
They take the whole thing.
Normally,
Cameroon be one and indivisible. You correct so.
Yes.
So I don't know why one at the fight when I hate them.
because the truth is
say independence already there. Yes, because I don't see no independence. We don't already get our independence.
And before they talk say they refer to us, and they refer to us say free our land. First at all, La Republic don't hold. They simple. They used to one statement started to say President Paul Biya say we go farm.
Yes.
If the president does say we go farm, you know me na say you don't talk na say no we give you no nothing. Government office and run this Amazonia.
If he talk say we go farm because
government office if he talk na one land na a land of a farming land. No be na say talk say we na suffer people there. And now we will not say na we defeat plenty, we work farm enough. So if he talk say we na go farm na a sign of love, you don't say no we na go for farm. When I go to show, even say we be a farmer, then the farm not give money.
And I want the other one the way they run say all that thing they call themselves say Amba way they run go Yaoundé, run go Douala, run go Bafoussam. I tell now, the one na Vona, and not nearly half of places one a day, because any Amba when no pass through DDR. I see for Yaoundé, na me go personally catch him, go jam for big.
Can't drop down a weapon.
Yes.
No go say they will
catch you. They go jam.
When the minute no when me I can't catch you before me talk say no. I beg because Amba dey so na person wey come out shoot. Here na so when military dem catch you. Ekele I beg oh. You declare that time now. Who say they handle when you get am? No king you.
Cry so dey.
I'll catch them.
I don't see na for waiting.
I don't see a case this the whole don't go attack plenty. They don't catch. Shout me. Una help me oh, but commander want to one go mission. Tell me say wata na wata ode see rain no go darkness na darkness.
Ekele no fit see you.
But you go
how you can shoot?
You are your commander, mission commander. If it like example, my name be na fearless. Yes, commander, back me up.
Yeah.
I back you say now back me.
Who the back you?
I back you now waiting. Then go now, then go now.
You carry Kalash.
You hold Kalash, then you sleep without it. Tell me say I back you up. I back you up. Well, life is not important. And I hold Cameroon and that's how I see. But
as I would have watch, our life them it be very important for we. In telling government, I hear say when they come for up stage or say when they come for up the talk say we cut them into pieces. People they want to fight for when I don't talk say cut them into pieces. Turn away and down. I mean, if you been say if you take gun, shoot man, I will shoot gun, but that thing when I do go home man, cut already don't show say only that cut when I go cut when they don't say when I never ever gain back on a memory. If you can kill your fellow human like that in a rough manner, the way they take and kill Mrs. Florence I have for because you've been at my corner, you've been around me. No, that time I just case of small matter the way they can't find me. That time, look the way they take and kill Mrs. Aya for Florence. That woman be doing it been a chief warder. It been a chief warder. If you walk with when I crime them, when I go prison. When I go prison, tell when I want come on also come out when I say when I want join Amber stuff there when I see where come on for a peaceful place. When I say kill them because when I be doing nothing on why when I not go catch a general colonel them there for upstation you know. When I go catch someone when I thought so when I be Amber show we when I go catch you so bring down, I can't join when I go kill him. Yes.
Oh, when I come on upstation.
Oh, when I come upstation.
Like we go can't join when I move there for the upstation.
Because we don't stay for that upstation commander fire no. Tell commander fire.
Hey, commander fire die we are still there.
We will see them Bamenda, but we don't see the way they no station Bamenda station. We see them say we see be as military man say we don't want to keep his skin no. And we not done free.
That day when they enter key general fire and I wish Amber be there for the street.
Amber never do nothing for show say they don't defend on territory inside the land. So wait till we talk for here. If you say me as me enter people that hear them, me they hear fine. Make it enter people that hear them. Me they hear more brother. Mami them una wise. Una talk una wise before una kill. Because when they woke up say nettoyage. Papa, they will clean them
because they go take na we oh me I go show one place for na dey. Make some no visa go hide and say the one between my cousin will be the Amber no show it door. I go na me go personally catch you carry and go station.
Intelligent government clear. When I should don't when I never be able to enter country. See na countryman that one I go say no fit enter country but he go show say he bad person na he country. Countryman enter country he enter freely. But when I wish of when I was diaspora, I don't enter Cameroon.
Diaspora. Now she never update the tonton go climatize the chop with money. Me my own I say because they don't talk say before January any Amber. We never wise come over bush. My brother, I not sure say military go find you and ex Amber they go find you now.
They don't give information. Say we 200. Wait, when I first listen, say we 200. We don't come over this our center. We run center. We go back for bush. Amber, see, I get squad for here for boys. Therefore, just let me say about I move that squad about 20. When I see what go to work for Northwest on fear. When I not say we don't come with the stick call when time never reach that one. Time never reach. We stick call when I see when I come.
Back parme give me go ahead.
And now we need to fix our town. Now because now we start spoil them. I don't me as I talk so I don't destroy a lot for this struggle. We are here my brothers and sisters. I don't destroy a lot. The destruction way we don't cause them. It be more than way to way they be talk of. The destruction we don't cause them. Look, I damn say if we be so we don't decide, we don't deny. First, I want to inform the population and say wait first. School. We need to start clear school them small time. Because this September they say we see them so school will go. It must. I say we need to start clear school them for around all area. They will stop those towns for Eastern Bamenda town. Now that one a project. That one a project. They were ex-combat and they come over time. Me man no try 6 years to block that one. Reconstruction program never did. That means I don't count.
So that guy for me do not die.
Yeah, that means I don't count 3. Okay, I'm going there. Let me take my place. Okay.
I don't come out because I don't want to call now the comment now about.
As I will talk, reconstruction program. You need a day, small time. We get reconstruction program, we get ghost town.
Stop of ghost town.
So I call on all the come my country people them and the black legs they say muna be mark that one because I would like I say muna come. Hello we the ESCOM matter and the DDR center must start to clear schools them because we would like our clear schools and miss school and go because all the madness where we were brother they make us so if actually some person not able to tell them which way they do. They go fix say all this thing the way they make us so it will be real, but we not really be real. So one effect on the population. Say we will clear schools and we will like our clear schools and so. Then we that reconstruction program where they come with the rest of the Tara road for Santa. I'm gonna make say Santa na my place where I no go leave any trash touch am. They don't be the complaint road no. They don't start Tara road for Santa they come. Now one inside the special status. Muna the count am. Because when I don't ask you question, say we come with DDR to come chop. We don't come can chop.
Chris Brown.
We don't come can chop with DDR. Kawa na ma wa appreciate kawa. If we don't start dialogue no. They be talk about it to be dialogue, special status. When I fight country, and no one can make peace with you. Now what the right shut up for day. If you like, you can shut me up here. When I remain the only noise is a bush, noise. When I irritate me,
I love you too.
Okay. What you want to say? The country, more be serious, very serious. More be serious.
I like that bamboo guy.
The country needs serious attention for this Amber boy them. My brothers them, I talk to my brothers them. Not I say no, my brothers them will be different from them. But now the difference is already the difference is clear. Yes, the difference is already clear because we don't do another section for say for peace. We don't have a peace section. We don't give a war section. Now what I would say make now because of the love too, we don't get out with them. We don't catch them all the time. We talk with them. So because if not now the love, when I don't see my face in media, I will come now only dang. That's how when I talk so we come finish with all. I show on her face. Now for now we see and say Muna no be aware say we still live. And now when I wanna be the deny we so. Now with this. When I doubt the face them, when I sound that, I'm
my brother them for men and girls.
Major, come tell me
they are alive, bro.
Who's our yes. Who's our grandpa? They will go on to our general. Yes, on our general too because now we 2 days here. So at least that was general. If he see a big grandpa, we'll call on grandpa to say me calm down. We
grandpa and Alpha.
Yeah, and Alpha.
Yes.
We no pity for Bambalam because we know say they don't any time. Yes.
See, I see they will give that money when I stop people go to bomb action. Take them.
No.
My brother, that one.
Now forgive no. Now forgive. When I want to start, we must pay all in the world. No, Mujo continue na country.
We back that money we stop more bomb action.
Mujo fix na country to go. I beg. If a man wants moto. But I don't destroy plenty. I will take money for to pay Brazilian motor for now. I beg my brother them. We don't talk about so we fix in the country. I know say they will have plenty civilian and they be angry a lot. But if we say we come up with top one, but the truth, they already been and say we are mind and be clear. So any man will have not destroy any of it in me just pardon that one pass or end of we say all win at one, my brothers them. We join hands put together. The Amber stuff now is the worry. I beg Bruna.
Amber no dey.
We'll be very serious. We'll beg Bruna. All this thing now when I talk, if una dey doubt me, una dey na on ground now. No, una no dey see, una no dey see. Una 1 year na see me man call you for America talk say because say I don't see a case where yes because man should not be diaspora call you hello. I get 150 boys that don't keep our front. We get people that don't keep our front for day. Say make the car take una. The big tell you when telling government say they don't really take Bamenda town. Where you there for where you there sometimes you there for Batigo or you there for Widikum or sometimes you there for Santa. The interim government call you tell you they don't really take Bamenda. How much I will believe? Now one thing now where the world will do. Interim government call you. We don't really take it one day. We don't take this. The degree, yeah, boss, that jubilation. They fry Bangladesh for air. They fry them. Waste bullet, waste country. Now country money that's so. Now country money that way they waste and so. Only because of waiting. The interim government stuff. We not why we will see them, we still beg our brother them on down. Now because of it, we not feel over the touch them. We not see all the trash. If ADF will continue inside this fight way with this, so things except for time for even this on fire way. If ADF will continue, now the interim government stuff we don't come with some example. You know, say they've been a king there now. No. We see that they don't get thrown. I've seen film match don't get thrown. We fight this thing on. Where they don't get.
Is that Bamenda 90 general?
Yeah. When I talk say ground zero, we get ground zero for down. When I the clench don't talk position them. When I the fire room position them. Christian who talk say I have a chono the work. Sorry, who say Eric Tato need the work. Eric Tato who talk say I have a chono the work. I have a chono say Samuel Saponi the one and that. This one is there to scam you and take your money. He's there to scam you and take your money. Who is the right person among you people in diaspora there? Right person, okay. You people should give us the right person we can follow on this struggle. Yeah. I'm gonna give you one right person because and even Isa when I mean we show us as stupidity. When I woke up talk you see yes on time wala na ya ba who talk Cristiano. This one he's a thief. He's taking your money and embezzling it in Washington. We no say fine guy and they Washington. Muna that one wanna run chop and so either wanna quiet with una want as we take am by force. We not just say muna quiet with that one run chop and so. Mu bring a peace. One important thing no be na money inside the matter. Do what people they die so muna no take and play. Muna no take Northwest and Southwest take and play on a game then day. We one una.
Can they kick you up all that?
Now na warning because say I don't get one warning from diaspora. Only the day before the other day they will cut me into pieces. That 200 is the boy the one I talk say we don't come off here so no 200 since we enter the center no 200 boys and never come go inside and never give them permission. We not don't understand because I talk so na me I give them permission to come out with my other big man H2 Emmanuel I believe so I know it. No I never give permission for no ex-combatant. You go back to bush where they talk about 200. Oh Clovis you reply them no I don't know what else sometimes they talk so we now go I don't know because ex-combatant they don't dodge DDR center go. We never run, no man never come out. We dey fine You can't enter the kind. I said, honeymoon. You can't enter the kind of life so ready to come out until it goes.
Me say I not correct.
The person is not correct. Any man wey don't come out for bush carry she here no. Even self, the way they talk say they tie sheep goat with rope. Na lie. Na lie. You know if you go back for bush. We are not play. You know fit go back for bush. We don't carry this inside the very center. He no fit go back for bush. I don't know what I would like me to continue. Because we know so we don't take a lot of time. When I say that the excitement, we inside we come talk we will talk against it. We will see their life anytime when I need them. Any question. When I just write una questions.
And needs, demands.
Yes, and demands. Question and demand under this thing. And no give the other numbers. Who said the give the number? Okay. Oh, sorry. No, this guy with white. We never
talk about that man.
Yeah, we never talk about it. Now my fellow comrade
Bamba.
Call him Bamba. I don't know whether na Amba or na Bamba because we don't confused. Well, it's very well. Good, my brothers. Okay, Clovis. Oh, I will record cafe. You know, say we na boss now. After countryman now, you know, say na you.
Thank you, guys.
Yes. You know, say after countryman na you be boss. Now you
be boss.
That boya, you know, Clovis. You know, say that boya where they also go so to our trip to boya. Now we will come on na ya we now for go that boya. We don't decide so we no come on with Southwest. So we don't decide we come on for Yaoundé. Go boya. Because na sit down inside Cameroon. So we don't decide we don't divert that road.
Yes.
My trip to Boya. I want to tell you turning come and mean a year one.
Yes.
My trip to Boya has been diverted to Yaoundé before Boya.
Boya.
Not from northwest and southwest to Boya, but from Yaoundé to boya, that means we get some small step there now. So I wait that road this so we show na God or waka. I don't see some person God love you or mama when her papa. Now why that was still there alive and why that was be excited. I saw her she don't front the camera and answer over. Thank you. And they glad. Yeah, we don't change that up for boya. We are the talk so that was my trip to boya. Because when I be February world draft, you know work so no my trip to boya no day. Wow. World draft never work. There is no trip to boya. No trip to Maryland. Washington DC. I hope so. I know so. I don't enjoy and fine. And I want to one thing again. They create this fake nonsense with diaspora and that benefit them inside them. When they kill person, they stay for bush for long. They go take that bone them. We don't stay so. They package and they send out with diaspora. When I know they go clock them, so this clock the way they make click. They make click. They take that one. They move some part for them. They put the inside that bone them. Send out with diaspora so that machine they know read them. So that machine the way that they pass for that machine the way they take and pass for that borders them airport and they talk about Douala airport and the rest. When I begin to check things in fine because some instrument they use them for transporting them for go diaspora. Those things them way machine no go easily read them. Yeah, because we don't be an expert inside the thing. When I don't mind say we should not be oversee small and small so I say they want take we put inside this stuff where mom still get raping and you know say small blood they so the heart pass any all thing. So they take all that thing and put and when they take bone then that bone they send out with diaspora they sell and they do that other human human trafficking and all that sort. Yeah, we will talk now, Papa. They don't already declare win or say they both chop us into pieces. But I'm not a rat mom. Either way when I say I'm not get there. Chop human being. Yes, you both chop us into pieces because we decide to drop our weapon and say what you people are doing is wrong. Which is wrong. You people will chop us into pieces. It's not this Bamenda. We never hear about now. We'll be joining group for now. I'm gonna say where you train snake. So they don't get so level where you turn and bomb or swallow you. Muna no play. When you train snakes to take carries on stage, you will turn and bomb and swallow you. Wait till I return and say other trade them, so Muna leave them. When am I sending things over that side, so those things are a benefit. Then the Italian government gets on one trick when they want move any person from Cameroon, when they want move people, then they don't use that line. Mine mind the line, sometimes when I feel no one block them. That line where they go present your picture for for diaspora for America Day for Donald Trump on who I don't know president. They present your thing, their documents. They say now one African soldier this way, he don't suffer, he don't run, he don't be stay for the country. They beg me amnesty, help them. Now the way people they pass one come up Cameroon go Washington. So I will not say now we don't create on that road. Yes. We not ever leave and move past. Now the same we go die. 15 them.
Now God go fire.
Now God go pay now. Now we will create. Now we will create that road for Washington. Where they call them where the owners say na Maryland. My trip to where? Clovis already get my trip to Boya because I don't know whether now we now escort and they will take that trip to Boya. That means we will come up with Bamenda.
Boya only.
We'll go here only. We'll go meet up the head of state.
Yes, Pa
for picking them. We're going to picking them. If they declare war on top Northwest and Southwest, military will enter inside on a quarter leaf now. Even they shoot now all shit down.
All thing down.
Now just after they make protest, they say me like
when they shoot in a wrong go backside, I say Watana.
When they don't make no protest,
wait to touch your skin.
We anglophone will talk say na this thing. We anglophone will talk say na war. They don't declare on top we. They never declare we war. I don't say we talk so now. They never declare we war. When I leave that palaver, I say they in a war. They don't declare. They never declare we war. But how is he trying to say no? Make we understand ourselves. Then find place quiet. Now what they offer we dialogue. No, they don't offer we dialogue. When I don't come,
bandit them.
Now we should don't be on. They say there when I say no, they go use we finish. They will take when I don't know Cameroon government. They go kill. Cameroon government get all the way. Amba no get them.
Amba government get order where they do thing on top. When I know say na that thing wey soldier dey just go ahead the hard, he lift commander, he no fit take command for he just go find some civilian, kill am, boom, commander one top, hey, commander na black leg.
No talk for me,
no talk for me, na black leg.
All we the risks were alive with.
No talk for me, commander na black leg. He don't already die now. That time commander will bring you back for life. Amba soldier na very disorder, they in a very disorder mood.
Very bad people.
Very one thing I will pay for the one hit them. They be very disorder. You see soldier will don't cause you don't ginger, you don't ding, you don't smoke fine, you don't gauge.
My friend request of Facebook don't flop.
I get case of my friend come over keys or anyone send civilian, anyone send here we own picking to way na only because of waiting. Disorder. Order no day. Commander don't come okay, commander give us outside the thing now. General give us outside the thing now. The range joker. Who's a soldier then day? When I want to have to tell na soldier then day. Soldier then day was on side, they scatter. Drink up, scatter gun, babam for Karifu.
You know my habit to that. When I drop.
Drink up, shoot for Karifu. Ekelebe one come, when I don't go. Sometimes they become high station. Sometimes they become so because any man muna makam, muna not blame military. They say they worry we. If I can find you, born I come first my heart if hot. So if I come, I know the gate will have colder heart. I'm going to find some cycle. I'm
watching from London. Thank you.
Muna understand. If I can find you. Muna not talk say, muna not check say no. They talk say. Now the guy, when they don't come hook up trouble, they leave civilian and they say risks. Then they go find some place for barrack. Where them day? When I don't come on, leave them. When I run to the house, where them day? Cha. Ambassador.
I beg whether I come up bush to enjoy the facilities where the power don't give me. Do you think there's so now? Do you think these facilities there's so now amber then? Anybody don't shoot gun. The power opposite center now. You know say now lack of job opportunity make you enter bush. Now hungry make you enter bush. Because if we begin all we begin our jobs then we will be the work normally. Like a youth, and nobody say you go be a lazy youth, you know, for a compound, park and cash you work. No,
west side,
you cannot go like
you
that.
Come on, firework.
So some of we then will believe say we get degrees them, we get small books them. When I make we enter bush. Now why that part don't say and say true? If you take French speaking, they left English on them. Now why that English on them vex? So it don't call we now. More come, make we get work. It give you work, give you facilities, give you freedom for the country. Now our country this. We are the government of the country. Give you freedom inside your country. Make you feel free. Make you sleep for bush. You go find some my bush house where don't sleep. They say that you come. Now the sleep where they come all the people, the terrorism, for go terrorize come back. Where better houses and they for inside citizens will stay for now.
Tell you now, my brother.
When they keep on hide yourself.
Yes.
It's over.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye bye. We'll see you next time. Don't forget, it's Prince Emma OC.
Don't forget, this Ghetto Boys, my Facebook name is Fonyo Hamza.
Yes, next time, our country people and they already talk. Yes, next time we won't come online.
Prince Emma OC.
We'll bring some small whiskey kanya for countryman. Yeah, because we are missing for Bamenda. If we are come so we are like them. We are missing. So next time we want to come, we'll surely bring some whiskey. I don't know. I say Muna wait me because we don't stay. We never ginger. Muna wait me small whiskey. We come online next time. We can't talk Una. Thank you, Nado. I don't listen. And I want to call our brother Fino. I call on Fino to him, my brother too.
Magala Lord Yankai.
Yes, all the other boys are waiting there for bush. I beg on them, say make they drop that weapon. Because as I talk, so I still get love for my brother. When I been my brother, now I see talk, I see add a beg on top. So me man not treating me because they hear the very word I beg. Because after I beg, now you go moss. After I beg the command, now you go moss. Voila. So thank you very much.
Prince Emma OC. Prince Emma OC. The OC is OSIH. Prince Emma with OC.
Thank you, my brothers. Now Joel this from DDR Center for Bamenda. I want to thank also Clovis and Bertus where they never boy. For talk say Muna keep up for what you wanna do.
For say we don't come online, so for the focus on we don't face the war. We don't see my brother them. We don't do a lot of work. So nobody she don't live for back. I don't come to so many own brother them for northwest and southwest. Me them say and say no, Bamenda. If you day too online. Yes, now the other man this way, now my person way ghetto boss. They call it ghetto boss when I'm here. He be work directly for Barak. And the other man, this Captain Monica, Captain Zambota, aka Most Wanted. I hate to don't work. I don't work with you for bamboo. I don't. We don't want to work all. We been a soldier. Why will come online? Because they did three so now this other soldier they will be working all Barak. Oh, we all northwest, southwest, all northwest. Now when they come, go no so now know the face plenty. The face them. We will work outside. Yes. Now we. Thank you very much, my country people. Mogamo. Benye. Titake. I told Mogamo people. Benye, mama, mumba for ungop. Benye, titake, resort. Titake bengo. Gao, uyani tiktom. Mububo, amba, anning, benye, titake resort. At the time, we are very much. And we are stay blessed. For say any question or anything, we want to talk, we go give our information, or this thing, line we go fit call, but that one we no go fit do. If we need anything from we contact from Clovis, we contact Countryman, he will give any information about we. But personally, we don't know who will give information, information, who we go fit be safe. Now only our mentor, when a Countryman. King of all black legs. Because I be fine man for bush. I be fine Countryman. I one kill and a killer.
No, it's my brother.
Personally, so I don't find Countryman. Me personally, ask Countryman. I go tell now. I don't find so for kill him. But you see run. I tell you say be black legs. But I last come and say and say 1 million and some week. And even that time, I even want to also remember that time for Prime Minister of Territorial Administration Atanganji. Where we come inside this town, now the very thing where one can do, I believe so now. We Countryman, this part of run the Minister of this thing. If no one can make the very thing so, now that time we woke up, we wore the place too. We worry that pass so one kill him. But now me this I don't even know the our question. I don't even know question or even answer and even on the but I hope but not our part and at least understand me.
All our sins have been forgiven.
Thank you very much. We stay blessed. We love you all and we go deal with you. See northwest and southwest come peaceful. No retreat, no surrender. Thank you very much. We go deal with you. We pray for we go ahead. For say and say we will do have for fix the country. Thank you, my country people. Thank you very much.
God bless you.
We appreciate everything. Thank you.